Come and join me discovering the Seoul story. I am here at the Nanji Han Park at the Ring Walk, and I'm going to show you around and let's discover it together. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be updated for future updates. Hello, this is Wendy. I'm going to bring you around the Ring Walk here. Enjoy the sights and sounds of Ring Walk. They changed this into grills. Before it used to be wood, so it looked more rustic. This is a circular bridge. We will end up where we started. My friend and I, we just walked here from our house, because this is walking distance to our house, so you'll have a good stroll, a good exercise when you come here. On winter, you will see this filled with snow, because right there is already the Han River. Up there, that's the Noel Park. On the other side is the Hanul Park. Remember, I also had a video of the Hanul Park strolling up there. This is what I like about Korea, about Seoul, because everything is being taken care of, even nature. This is the Han River. That's the Gayang Bridge over there. So if you want to just go around and stroll, there are so many places to walk around here in Seoul, and you just savor all the sounds and sights. And I love that we can have the nature sounds in the middle of the city. You can do bird watching here. I may not be so familiar with the kinds of birds, but for those bird enthusiasts, this is a place for bird watching. Aside from the ring walk, there is actually a bird observatory, but that's another place. And this is the start of the ring walk. So now you understand why it's called the ring walk. It's in the shape of a ring. It's a circle bridge. If you enjoy nature and if you enjoy the sights and sounds of nature, I have a playlist. Check above. And you can have more of the sights and sounds of Seoul. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Please leave some comments so I will know what you think. Till the next time.